Today I'll show you how I was trading on Binance for 1 hour and lost $500. Trading crypto futures is very risky. I wouldn't recommend anyone trying to make this a primary source of income or even trying with the amount you will regret to lose. This is mostly gambling and you can lose significant amount of money in a short period of time like I did. And watch until the end to see how I lost $500 in less than 1 hour and how Binance lies to its customers. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the trading. So I deposited 5,500 US dollars into my Binance futures account. Here I'm looking at the past performance of Bitcoin price. We see that I have a time frame of 1 minute, which makes this a pure gambling. I see that the current trend is bearish, which means the local high is lower every time, so it in general it goes down. I decided to reduce the leverage to 20, which means that I can open the positions 20 times higher than my account amount of 5,500, so I can open the position for $110,000. Here I decided to enter my position with limit order, which means I want to set a price at which I will go long. And here I see that it should be a slight rebound in my opinion, because it's going down and should be in the channel of 34,700 to 34,888. So I'm setting the entry price of 34,685, and here I'm calculating the take profit of the local high and the stop loss of lower than the local low of 34,650. And I'm setting the buy limit order. So once the market price achieves 34,698, I will be entered into a long position. So here you can see the open order and the details of stop loss and take profit. So if the price goes up, I will be making profits. If the price will go down, I'll be suffering losses. And at this point, just to make it clear that this is a pure gambling, because this is a very short time frame, and this is basically 50-50. I don't know where the price will go, up or down, but my bet is for the price to go up. So at this point of time, we're just waiting until we enter the long position. So we're just waiting for the price to achieve our limit order price of 34,685. So you can see that the price dropped to our order price and we entered into long position. So now instead of our limit order, we have two orders, which is stop loss and take profit, and we have one open position, which is long. And you can see that Binance shows us our PNL. This is our unrealized PNL, which means if we were to close position now, what would be our financial results? So the red color means we now in loss. If it goes green, it means we in profit. As you can see, the red line above, this is our take profit, which means if the price goes up to the level of 34,719, our position will be automatically closed with a profit. And if the price will go down below to the line of 34,645, our position will be closed with the loss. So at this point of time, I decided to reduce my take profit and to be less greedy, and I set it at the level of 34,701. And we see our position is about to be closed, and up, yes, and it is closed with a profit. Next, I decided to go short, which means bet on the price to go down. And after that, I made 3 more trades, so 5 in total, and you'll see the results of them on the screen now. No, God! So I did 5 trades, and I decided that this is enough of gambling for today, especially taking into account that I'm making this just to record this video and show you how these trades actually been done. But I definitely would recommend anyone to do that, because this is a pure gambling, and anyone who thinks they understand how the price moves for crypto in 1 minute time frame, this is just an illusion, because this is complete random. Even more, it could be, you know, inside trading, and no one regulates this industry. The trades could be whatever they want. Maybe Binance market makers, they have unlimited funds, and they just see all the liquidations level and they move the price or whatever they want. So look now, if we calculate and add up all the financial results for the all 5 trades we made, we get 25.53, right? But as you remember, in the beginning I had a total of 5,500 on my balance, and now, as you see, I have 4,982, and the difference is much bigger than just $25 of loss. Even if I go to position history, I reconcile all the numbers. So in the position history, I see the realized P&L for the closed positions, all 5 of them, and the total for them is 25.53. I started to analyze my P&L, and as you can see here, it's minus 517. So I try to understand what are the elements of my loss, right? And here you can see under very hidden area like funding and transaction fee, and you can see the total funding fee I paid is $492. It's actually almost entire loss amount I suffered. So imagine Binance shows you your unrealized P&L, like you rely on it, you're thinking this is something you can make a strategy based on. And even if you look on your positions history and you add up all the financial results, you think, okay, I'm doing not so bad. But behind the scenes, they charge you terrifically high fees. Like imagine for 5 trades, I paid almost $500 of fees, and this wasn't recorded anywhere. I would agree that obviously the fees are fine. The broker should leave for something, or crypto exchange, they should get revenue somewhere. But if you calculate the unrealized P&L, you should account for fees immediately for the customer. Because if I open a trade, I pay this fee, but then to close the position, I will need to do another trade, and it's inevitable that I will pay the fee. So why won't you account it already into P&L? So once I see that I'm green, I'm in profit, I would understand that this is with the fees already accounted for. And my honest opinion that this is this was made intentionally just to mislead the customers, because no one regulates this industry and they can do whatever they want, and no one would come and impose fees or penalties for hiding these fees like this.